Minister lo akiron koteso Clement Kenasongalo ngese balebe ipu Apugan kedi programs luwe koti tungalo mar kedai gang teteri medauneti.
Biggest part of the barrier to development is the mindset of the people we are working with. I don't have powers to arrest people. Otherwise, I would arrest leaders who come and incite people. When the government does something like that, instead of coming to tell people, use it wisely, because it's not going to come always. Use it well. You come and you begin inciting people, eat that money, it is yours, what will the government do? And because the mindset is leaning towards that direction, people listen to them. And the money goes, there is nothing to show for it.
Emeba lo airabet lo ebuku kabremaido, Alfred Dakasi. Ngese balebe poti programs luitolo si Apugan. Kwapuna tenu na kotesa affairs, aingara kinitunga, ayanga una poloteso.
We think that this actually will empower them more, even as we wait for the parish development model. We think that this is the direction government should keep following. If development is brought to the village level, to enable local people to make progress.
Clear ipo, atupito na radisi, ko district loko kabremaido. Ngese balebe, araeja ikinositunga o programs wa Apugan, dauno si chan koteso.
There is a government program that has come to ensure that we change our livelihood. Even the groups which are not performing very well are soon going to catch up and pick up. And it's my prayer that all of them benefit from the additional funding.
Nuka TV East, Abraham Elapo, ko districta loko kabremaido.